Everyone, in this video we will discuss about the revised syllabus of class 11 for session 2022 and 23. First of all, we will discuss about the units. Okay, there are total 5 units, and in first unit the weightage of marks is 23, and in second unit weightage of marks is 25, and third unit coordinate geometry 12, and calculus 8 marks, and statistics and probability weightage of this unit is 12 marks. So written exam is of 80 marks and internal assessment is of 20 marks. So total this is 100 marks. You all must know that paper will be once in a year. Okay. Before that there are two terms, term 1 and term 2, but now the paper will be in February or March. Now we will discuss about chapters. In unit 1 there are 3 chapters. First one is sets. In this chapter power set topic is deleted. Second topic is practice problem of union and intersection of two sets. This topic is also deleted. Or you can mark that exercise 1.3 and 1.6 of NCERT book is deleted. And about chapter 2. Chapter 2 is relations and function, and this chapter is you have to fully do. Okay. Because there is no topic deleted. And this is also very important topic from exam point of view and for 12th class. Next one is trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions, in this trigonometric equations is deleted, and next is proofs and simple applications of sine and cosine formulas. This is also deleted. Now we will discuss about unit 2 algebra. In chapter 4 principle of mathematical induction, you don't have to do anything. Chapter 4 is fully deleted from your syllabus. Next is complex numbers. In this chapter you don't have to do polar representation of complex numbers, but this topic is very important from exam point of view, for competitive exams point of view. Okay, so if you have time then you can do it, but in exams you will not see any question of this type. Next is quadratic equations. This topic is also deleted. And third one is square root of complex number, in which you have to find the square root of this type of numbers. This is also deleted from your syllabus. Now we will discuss about linear inequalities. In this you only have to do exercise 6.1. 6.2 and 6.3 are fully deleted. Topics are graphical solution of linear inequality in two variables, and second one is solution of system of linear inequalities in two variables. Next chapter is chapter 7, permutation and combination. In this no topic is deleted, you have to do all the chapter. Next is binomial theorem. In this general middle terms topic is deleted, so you don't have to do this exercise. Next is sequence and series. As you know that sequence and series is split into three parts. First one is arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. So first topic is deleted. This topic is already done in the 10th class. So this topic is deleted from 11th NCERT for CBSE. Next is sum of n terms of special cases. This topic is also deleted. Let's discuss about unit 3, chapter straight lines. In this many topics are deleted. First one is collinearity of 3 points. Second one is normal forms and general equation of a line. Fourth one is equation of family of lines passing through the points of intersection of two lines, in which we have to find the family of lines. This topic is also deleted. Although this is very important topic, these all are very important topics, but these are deleted. If you have time then you have to do it. Next is shifting of origin. This is also deleted. Next topic is chapter 11, conic sections. So deleted topic in this section is special cases of ellipse. You have to do the all concepts of ellipse, but the special cases of ellipse you don't have to do. Next is introduction of three-dimensional geometry. And you have already done introduction of two-dimensional geometry. This is a same in the three-dimensional geometry, but the section formula is deleted from your syllabus, so you don't have to do. Now let's discuss about next unit, unit 4, calculus. In this we have only two chapters, limits and derivatives and mathematical reasoning. But limits and derivative you only have to do this chapter. Mathematical reasoning chapter is fully deleted. So in calculus you only have to do only one topic. Now let's discuss about unit 5, statistics and probability. There are two chapters. First one is statistics and second one is probability. In this chapter, chapter 15, analysis of frequency distribution topic is deleted. So you don't have to do exercise 15.3. Next one is probability. In this topic, only deleted exercise is 16.1. For basic purpose, you have to do exercise 16.1. We have already discussed chapter 1 sets in my channel. You can check it out, and you all know that paper is in February. Okay, so you have to complete your syllabus till December. We are trying to complete your topics, all the topics till December according to new guidelines and new syllabus. So keep in touch, and thank you for watching.